Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making cheesy omelette. It's very easy and quick to make. So let's proceed towards the preparation. These are the ingredients required for making cheesy omelette. 3 eggs, 3 slices of cheese, red chili powder, salt for seasoning, black pepper powder, mixed herbs and some amount of water. We start with it. We start breaking the eggs into a bowl. All 3 eggs together. And then we season it with salt, red chili powder and black pepper powder. To make the omelette fluffy and light, we have to add 2 spoons of water. This would really give it a fluffy end. And now I start whisking it. Whisk it thoroughly. I'm using a fork for whisking. This actually gives it a proper beat. So I've already finished with the whisking part. I've used a fork for whisking and this is the result. It actually blends into one. I've heated the pan now and it's quite hot. Now I'm sliding in some amount of butter inside it and allowing the butter to melt. This way. The butter is frothing and the moment the frothing stops is the right time to put the omelette. The butter has already melted and now we would slide the omelette batter. After laying down the batter, in cheese omelette, we are not supposed to flip the omelette on the other end. So we'll allow it to cook on low flame and we'll not hurry for this because we want the lower part to get cooked properly. The lower base is almost getting cooked, but we don't have to flip it, and this is the way we check whether it's getting cooked or not. So yes, it is getting done. The upper half should be a bit watery and just flip it once and check it. Yes, it's getting firmer. Okay, now we would stop the process here and start sliding in cheese slices. So now I'm putting the first cheese slice. We have to actually layer it as if we are putting a bed of cheese slices. Laying in the second slice. Now we go with the third one. Layering the third slice. Now the fourth one. Here goes another one. Usually we use processed cheese in making cheesy omelette, but I'm more comfortable with cheese slices. It helps me to get less messy while making this. You can see the cheese is getting melted and now I am topping it up with mixed herbs throughout. And after this, the last thing which is left is you have to slowly, which is still undone, so we'll wait for one more second. Let it. Now slowly I will just turn the omelette this way and we'll allow it to cook for some time until the cheese melts inside. Isn't it looking awesome? The cheese is melting inside. As you can see, the cheese has already melted, so I would go for one more fold which would complete the process. I'll keep it on the gas for just one more minute and then I will remove it. Now it's almost ready and I am putting it into a plate. This way we'll just slide it directly from the pan. So a yummy cheese omelette is ready. Doesn't it look tasty? I would just cut and show you how it looks from inside. This way, and every morsel would be a bliss. Kids actually love having this. Do give it a try. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to press the like button and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye, take care.